Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Wayback Machine. First, understand that this isn't an official Roblox feature, but a community-driven effort to preserve game history. You'll be using third-party tools and archives to access older game versions. This process involves finding specific game ID and then using a dedicated website or application to load the archived content. It's a fantastic way to relive classic Roblox moments. To begin, you need to identify the specific game you want to revisit. Every Roblox game has a unique numerical ID. You can often find these ID on fan wikis, community forums, or by searching historical game lists. Once you have the game ID, it becomes your key to unlocking its past versions. This step is crucial for the next part of the process, so take your time to find the correct identifier. With your game ID in hand, the next step is to use a dedicated archival tool. Several community-created websites and applications exist that host archived Roblox game data. Simply navigate to one of these platforms, enter the game ID you found, and the tool will present you with a list of available historical versions. Choose the version you wish to play, and the tool will attempt to load that specific snapshot of the game. Keep in mind that not every Roblox game will have an archived version accessible through these methods. The availability depends on community contributions and the age of the game. Also, when playing older versions, you might experience varying performance or compatibility issues, as these clients are not officially supported. It's a journey back in time, so expect some differences. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.